Hello, in this video tutorial I will demonstrate you how to create a simple garage. Also, we will create two different roof versions, a flat and a pitched roof. In the end of the video tutorial we will create a window and a ventilation system. In the first step, we will create a guideline grid to define the dimensions of the garage. Therefore, we select 2D and Layout, 2D Guidelines, Guideline, and for example, the vertical guideline. We place the guideline, for example, here and press Escape. Now we select again 2D Guidelines, Guideline, and the horizontal guideline. We place the horizontal guideline here, press Escape, and now we define the dimensions. Therefore we press the shortcut P for the function numeric parallel guideline. The first guideline is from this line into this direction in a distance of 2.95 meters. We press Enter. The next guideline is from this line into this direction in a distance of 3.20 meters, Enter, and the last guideline is from this line into this direction in a distance of 5.95 meters, Enter. Afterwards we press Escape. We zoom a little bit into the view, and in the next step we define the rough height of the floor on which we will create the garage, in our example the ground floor. We select the ground floor with a left mouse click, afterwards right mouse click and Properties. Here at the point Rough Height we enter, for example, 2.45 meters. We deactivate the checkbox Create Automatic Ceiling and confirm with OK. The rough height is now defined, and in the next step we will create the external walls of our garage in this area of our guideline grid. Therefore we select Building, Walls, External wall, and between 2 points chain. Before we enter the wall we define the properties, therefore we click the right mouse button and select Properties. Here in the properties we enter, for example, for the thickness 0.10 meters and we confirm with OK. Now we enter the wall. We start from this point and now we press the shortcut Ctrl and W to change the reference point of the wall, which is displayed as a blue circle. This is the correct reference point. This is the second point, the third point, the fourth and the fifth and last point. Afterwards we press Escape. The external walls of our garage were successfully created. We zoom a bit into the view and we can see that the external walls are positioned on the outside of the guideline grid. This was possible because of changing and selecting the correct reference point of the wall. Now we select the 3D view, zoom a little bit into the view. We deselect the layer Environment and select the 2D view again. In the next step we will add a garage door. The garage door should be placed in this area. Therefore we select Door, Door, and Free Positioning. Before we enter the door we define the properties, right mouse click, Properties. The door properties open, and at the point Selection we click on Door White, and here we select the folder Garage Industrial Doors and we select this door. After it we confirm with OK. We wanna place the garage door now in the middle of this wall. Therefore we will use the constructional support. We press the right mouse button, constructional support, and the function center point, which we can also select with the shortcut M. In our example, we press, for example, the shortcut M. This is the first point and this the second point. The garage door was now automatically positioned in the middle of the wall. We press Escape and zoom a little bit out of the view. Now we select the garage door again with a left mouse click. Press the right mouse button and select Properties. Here in the General Properties we click on Top View, and for the display type we select Wireframe. Now we select Opening, and here for the deep we enter 0 meters. We confirm with OK. We press Escape, and now our garage door gets displayed without the opening radius. We take a quick look at the garage door in the 3D view, and in the next step we will create a ceiling for the garage. Therefore we select again the 2D view. Before we create the ceiling we will add 2 more guidelines. Therefore we press the shortcut P for the function numeric parallel guideline. From this line into this direction 0.1 meters, we press Enter, and from this line into this direction also 0.1 meters, Enter. We press Escape, and now we select Ceiling, Ceiling, and insert with rectangle. From this point to this point. We press Escape. Now we select the 3D view and we activate the ceiling. We select the 2D view again, and if we would like now to make any changes on the ceiling, we can select it with a left mouse click, right mouse button and select Properties. Here we can change the level and the height of the ceiling also afterwards. If we add the level with the height, it results in the rough height of 2.45 meters. In our example, we change the level to 2.35 meters and the height to 0.10 meters. This results again in the rough height of 2.45 meters. We confirm with OK. We select again the 2D view and we press Escape. In the next step we will add 2 supports for our flat roof. Therefore we select Supports, Rectangular Support and Free Positioning. Before we enter the supports, we define the properties, therefore we press the right mouse button and select Properties. Here we can define the width and the deep. For both we enter 0.15 meters and we confirm with OK. Now we enter the supports. We can change the reference point of the support with the key combination CTRL and W. This is the correct reference point and we drop the support here. Now we change again the reference point, that's the correct reference point, and we place the second support here. After it we press Escape. The two supports are now on their correct position. Our garage with flat roof is finished defined. In the final step we will add now 2 cars to our garage. Therefore we select the catalog. Add objects, we select exterior, cars, and here we select, for example, the BMW, press and hold the left mouse button and drag the object into the 2D view. We can place the objects with a left mouse click, and after placing a car, we press Escape. Now we can select the 3D view and take a look at our finished defined garage with flat roof. In the second part of this video tutorial, we will delete now the flat roof and place on top of our garage a pitched roof. Therefore, we select the flat roof and we press Delete. We select again the 2D view, and in the next step we will create a roof construction. Therefore, we select Roof Construction, insert Roof, and insert Rectangular Roof. We enter the rectangle of the roof construction along our guideline grid. This is the first point, and this is the second point. The roof construction dialog opens automatically and we click on 3D. The 3D preview windows open automatically and we enlarge it for a better overview. We will define here a pitched roof for our garage. In the preview window we can select and edit each of the 4 roof sides. We select the first side. For the profile we select, for example, a gable roof. And for the overhang we enter 0.10 meters. We confirm with the tab key. The same we do now in a fast forward with the 2 roof sides next to the one we just edited. Of course, we could also copy the properties with the function multiple copy. We select now the last remaining roof side. For the profile we leave hipped roof, and for the overhang we enter 0.1 meters. We confirm with tab. For the pitch we enter, for example, 3 degrees, tab, and for the height, for example, 2.15 meters. We press the tab key. All 4 roof sides are defined, and now we continue with the wood construction. Therefore, we select the point Wood Construction. Because in our case, the roof will only get a pitched ceiling for our garage, we deactivate all the checkboxes at Wood Construction. After it we select Cladding, and here we enter for the cladding thickness 0.10 meters. We confirm with tab. Now our garage roof is finished defined. If you're searching for a more detailed video tutorial about roofs, you can find one on our website at cadvilla.com/en/tutorial. We confirm with OK. The roof is created. When we take now a closer look at our roof in the 3D view, we can see that the height of the supports doesn't match the roof's height. We have to adjust the support's height to the height of the roof. We select again the 2D view. And now we select one of the two supports, for example, the lower one. We press the right mouse button Properties, and here at the point Height, we select the text field and we enter 2.45 meters. In our example, 2.45 meters are already predefined and we confirm with OK. Now we select the second support, right mouse click Properties, and here we enter at height 2.15 meters. We confirm with OK. We press Escape, and finally we will adjust the roof's texture to the texture of the supports. Therefore, we select 3D functions. First we select the 3D view and transfer material. We select the source material, in our case the texture of the support, and we transfer it with a left mouse click to our roof. Afterwards we press Escape. The garage with the pitched roof is now finished defined, and we can take a look at it in the 3D view. In the final step of this video tutorial, we will add a window and a ventilation to our garage. We start with the window. The window should be placed in this area. We also turn the 3D view into a position with a good overview over this area. Now we select the 2D view again, and we select Building, Window, Window Construction and Free Positioning. Before we enter the window, we define the properties, right mouse button, Properties. The window properties open, and here we enter for the width, for example 0.50 meters. Same for the height, and for the sill height 1.50 meters. After it we select Opening. Here we enter for the deep 0 meters, and after it we select Top View. And here we deselect Show Parabet Height Text. We confirm with OK. Actually, for our window, the middle point is selected as reference point. This is visible by the blue circle in the middle of the window. By pressing the key combination Ctrl and W, you can change the reference point to the left, the right, or the middle of the window. In our case, the reference point is OK. To position the window in the wall, we will use the help of the constructional support. Therefore, we press the right mouse button, Constructional Support, and for example point with distance from. This function we could also choose over the shortcut A. From this point into this direction, in a distance of 1.25 meters, we confirm with Enter. We press Escape, and we can take a look at our window in the 3D view. Now we zoom into the next area where we will define our garage ventilation. We will place it here on this spot. We select again the 2D view, and in the next step we will create a wall section of the external wall in which we will create the garage ventilation. Therefore, we select the desired wall with a left mouse click, and we pay attention that the outer side of the wall is highlighted in red. We press the right mouse button and select Create Wall Section. The wall section opens automatically. We press Escape and enlarge the section. We want to create the ventilation in this area. Therefore, we recommend the help of a guideline grid. In our example, we skip creating a guideline grid out of time reasons, and we select Building, Cutout, Wall Cutout, and Rectangle. We enter now the cutout. This is, for example, the first point, and this the second point. We press the Escape key and we close the section. Now we select the section symbol with a left mouse click, press Delete and confirm with Yes. We select the 3D view, and finally we can take a look at our finished defined garage with ventilation system and window. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit our website cadvilla.com.